Hello everyone, I'm teacher Guohar Huang. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Unit 9 Paired Sample t-test. When do we use paired sample t-tests? We use it when comparing the means of two numerical values within the same group to determine whether there is a statistical significance. For example, when comparing the weights of a group before and after weight loss to see whether there is a statistical significance, or comparing the grades of a group before and after a class to determine whether there is a statistical significance. Similarly, the scores of the same group in Chinese and English can be compared to see whether there is a statistical significance. In these situations, one group has two sets of data to compare, which we call paired or dependent sample t-tests. The observation method remains the same, focusing on the p-value and t-value. A p-value less than 0.05 indicates 1-star significance, less than 0.01 indicates 2-star significance, and less than 0.001 indicates 3-star significance. We additionally observe the t-value, where a t-value greater than 1.96 is considered significant. The procedure is very similar to the independent sample t-test we discussed earlier. First, click on Analysis in SPSS, then select Compare Means. On the right-hand side, you'll find an option for Paired Sample t-test. In this example, we want to compare whether there is a statistical significance between midterm and final scores for the same group. Each person in the group has both midterm and final scores. We can select the midterm scores and move them to the right, then do the same for the final scores. They will be paired together, and the paired sample t-test allows us to compare multiple pairs, not just one pair. The analysis results are displayed in this figure. Let's first compare midterm and final scores. There are a total of 42 people, and since it's the same group of people, this number remains constant. Now, to determine whether there is a statistical significance between midterm and final scores, we look at the significance value in the bottom right corner, which is 0.000, indicating extremely high significance. The t-value associated with this comparison is 4.236. Its absolute value is much greater than 1.96. So we can summarize the findings. First, let's observe the means. The midterm score is higher than the final score. To determine whether it has reached significance, we look here. It has achieved 3-star significance because the p-value is 0.00. and the absolute value of the t-value is large, which is 4.236. When formatting the table according to APA style, it's important to note that only horizontal lines are used, not vertical lines. The first row is the title, and the data is organized between two horizontal lines. There should not be any additional horizontal lines within this section. The sample size for both midterm and final scores is 42. The mean for midterm is 74.786, and for final scores it's 84.524. The standard deviation is indicated in the respective columns. The key focus is on the t-value, which signifies 3-star significance. This will be denoted with 3 stars, and a note will accompany it, specifying that 3 stars indicate a p-value less than 0.001. It's essential to italicize both p-values and t-values when presenting them in the paper. That's today's introduction. If you have any questions, please discuss them with me. Bye-bye.